T here from T Cut Me. Today I'm going to show you this electric shampoo bowl unit. This unit has no plumbing. As you can see, we got two water reservoirs. It runs on electric. For those who have issues with suites, rooms, or spaces without plumbing, this will be a fix. I'm gonna display how it works in a second. Then I'll go over the specs. Okay. Alright. So I like to use this on-off switch. Simple surge protector. Once enough pressure fills in, it'll fill up. Also, it drains. This water is hot water. Also has cold water as well. You turn to cold water. Water goes really cold for room temperature. We can heat it up. And it gets a nice, really warm temperature. Turn it off. Shut it off. Everything comes under. Let me see if I move the unit a little bit. You can see we got a water pump under here. And a water heater under here. Drain out. Drain in. Makes a bit of noise. We're working on muffling that sound some. But shouldn't be that big of an issue. Noise definitely shouldn't be that big of an issue. I'll turn it on and step a little away from it. Not that loud.